Hi there, I'm Jessica Varnado-Swall from San Diego Continuing Education, and in this YouTube Search Strategies video 2, I'll be covering some tips for conducting a YouTube search. This video will cover exact phrase, in-title searches, channel searches, and playlist searches. So let's get started. The first search strategy is using quotation marks to make an exact phrase search. So to do this, you can just put quotation marks around a phrase that you would like to appear exactly that way in your search results. So a phrase might be bite-sized canvas. So I happen to know that there is a playlist of videos or a series of videos that was created by the Online Network of Educators called Bite-Sized Canvas. And they're very short videos that walk you through just one little tool on Canvas or how to do one specific thing on Canvas. And I just happen to remember that name. It's not the name of the channel. It's not the name of an individual video. But this will help me find anything that has that in its description in that exact phrase. This is also extremely useful if you remember some song lyrics, but you don't remember the name of a song. Then you can look it up here if you happen to be teaching music or just enjoy watching YouTube videos with music. The next YouTube search strategy is using the in-title command. So if you're looking for a YouTube video and there's something very specific you would like to be in the title of the YouTube video, not just a keyword that the creator of the video has associated with the video, but actually in the title, you can do what's called an in-title search. So to do that, you write in title and then a colon. So for example, I am an ESL teacher. Perhaps I want to teach something about present progressive. So I would put in present progressive in the title. And then I will find only videos that talk about the present progressive in the title of the video. The next search strategy is doing a channel search. So if you're looking for a specific YouTube channel and you type in the name of the channel, you're not only going to get videos from that channel, you will also get videos that contain the keywords that are used in the channel name. So not necessarily just videos from the channel you're interested in. So if you know the channel name, it's a good idea to use the channel filter. So you can do this by typing channel, colon, and then you can type in the name of that particular channel. So for example, I know there's a good channel called Online Network of Educators. So when I type that in, I'm going to get results, at least in the top, from the channels that have that name. So here it is, I can see the @ONE Online Network of Educators. The next search strategy we will cover is the playlist filter. So on YouTube, a creator of videos, or even just a casual user on YouTube, even if you're not creating a lot of videos on your own, you can still create playlists. And you can take videos from across creators and create kind of like a mixtape of all the different videos that are on a particular topic or that you're maybe saving for a particular class to show with them. Anything like that. You can make a playlist. So a lot of YouTube users have already made playlists for you. And one of those we already have seen, the bite-sized canvas. So you can, to do a playlist search, you simply type playlist and then whatever the name of the playlist. So if you already know of a playlist like the bite-sized canvas, And then you'll see that it's not just one video, it's 24 videos in this case. And you can view the full playlist of all the different bite-sized Canvas videos together in one convenient place. So let's review what we covered in this video. In this video, we learned about exact phrase searches, in-title searches, channel searches, and playlist searches. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a new tip or two about searching YouTube. If you're interested in learning more on this topic, please check out Part 1 and the next one, Part 3 videos of this series. Please feel free to connect with us. Thanks.